Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to hide a subscriber like this. You see, under Khmer technology there is no subscriber, but look at the channel, there is subscriber under the name of the channel. So 3.1k subscriber. These are my channel, and also this, also my channel. So how to hide this? Example, how to hide this like this one. Okay. So when you open your Chrome, you type www.youtube.com. So it will come up like this. You can click on this or at this one, your channel here. And click on custom my channel. And click here, setting. And click channel, advanced. So here, display subscriber count. So unclick it to hide the subscriber. So save. So you can click here to view channel. You see, it's done, it's hidden. So everyone cannot see your subscriber. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.